Established in 1973, Auto Restorations produces award-winning restorations on classic and vintage cars, ranging from early 20th century pioneers to the supercars of the 1960s, with our work featuring in major museums and collections around the world. We have particular experience in pre-, post-war and classic Ferrari, Maserati, Aston Martin, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Triumph, MG, Austin Healey, Alfa Romeo, Bugatti and Jaguar, to name a few. The individuals in our team are true artisans, setting the highest standard of craft and workmanship. The fruits of their skill and labour speak for themselves. Our restorations have earned an impressive 16 international awards from the most highly regarded concours d'elegance competitions over the last 3 decades. Auto Restoration Service Department can provide everything, from a basic inspection to a more thorough annual service and repair work. It was established to provide a dedicated service for those cherished vehicles that cannot be catered for by mainstream operators or your corner garage. As well as our New Zealand customers, Auto Restorations has clients in Australia, USA, Japan, Britain and Europe, among others. Cars may be sent to us by air freight or, more usually, by sea in shipping containers. Containers are delivered unopened to our premises, so nobody but our expert staff will handle your car. Auto Restoration's skilled workforce ensures each and every step of our work is completed to the highest standard. Each department of our facility is equipped with the specialised machinery, tools and raw materials required to enable us to restore cars efficiently and cost-effectively. Whatever the make or model, we are dedicated to meeting the exacting standards of our passionate clientele.